Welcome to Exodus versus Decent Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Exodus and Decent Wallet, two popular options for managing your cryptocurrency to help you make an informed decision. Exodus is a versatile software wallet designed for users looking for an easy-to-use, all-in-one solution. It supports over 200 cryptocurrencies, making it ideal for anyone with a diversified portfolio. The wallet's interface is sleek and intuitive, perfect for beginners and intermediate users. A standout feature of Exodus is its built-in exchange, which allows you to swap coins directly within the wallet without needing to use third-party platforms. Additionally, it has a portfolio tracker to monitor your investments and provides seamless integration with Trezor hardware wallets for enhanced security. However, being a software wallet, Exodus is connected to the internet, which means it is more vulnerable to potential hacking compared to cold storage solutions. On the other hand, Decent Wallet is a hardware wallet that prioritizes security, making it a great option for anyone serious about keeping their assets safe. Decent supports over 2,000 cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various ERC20 tokens. What sets Decent apart is its biometric authentication feature, which uses a fingerprint scanner to verify transactions, adding an extra layer of security. The wallet also offers a secure offline environment for storing private keys, making it a top choice for security-conscious users. While Decent is slightly less user-friendly than Exodus, it is the ideal option for those who prioritize maximum security over ease of use. In conclusion, Exodus is best suited for beginners and users who want an easy-to-use software wallet with a wide range of features, including an integrated exchange. It's a great all-around choice for managing multiple assets. Decent, however, is a more secure option with its hardware wallet design and biometric authentication, making it perfect for those who prioritize safety over convenience. Ultimately, if security is your main concern, go for Decent. But if you want an accessible and feature-rich wallet, Exodus is the better pick. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details on both wallets.